Hei alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss the Norwegian idiom å få både i pose og sekk. Å få både i pose og sekk. Å få både i pose og sekk. Exploring a language's idioms can be both delightful and enlightening, offering a unique lens into its culture and worldview. One such Norwegian idiom, å få både i pose og sekk, å få både i pose og sekk, å få både i pose og sekk, provides a charming insight into the pragmatic yet optimistic nature of Norwegian culture. In our discussion today, we will delve into this idiom's meaning, origin, and its application in everyday Norwegian, complete with practical examples. Understanding å få både i pose og sekk, å få både i pose og sekk, å få både i pose og sekk. The phrase å få både i pose og sekk, å få både i pose og sekk, translates literally to get both in a bag and a sack. It mirrors the English expression having your cake and eating it too, implying a situation where someone achieves multiple favorable outcomes that are usually not possible to have at the same time. Historical and cultural context. This idiom has its roots in Norway's agricultural past, where bags, pose, 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 and sacks, sekke, 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 were common for transporting goods. The bag was more convenient but smaller, while the sack was bulkier but had greater capacity. The expression therefore originated from the desire to combine the benefits of both, optimizing a wish for the best of both worlds. Usage in modern Norwegian. Today, å få både i pose og sekk, å få både i pose og sekk, å få både i pose og sekk, is used in diverse contexts, from casual conversations to professional settings. Here are some practical sentences in Norwegian illustrating its use. Hun forhandler om lønn og ender opp med høy lønn og mye ferie. Hun får virkelig både i pose og sekk. Hun forhandler om lønn og ender opp med høy lønn og mye ferie. Hun får virkelig både i pose og sekk. Hun forhandler om lønn og ender opp med høy lønn og mye ferie. Hun får virkelig både i pose og sekk. She's negotiating her salary and ends up with a high salary and a lot of vacation. She really gets both the bag and the sack. Dette nye miljøvennlige tiltaket reduserer forurensning og skaper jobber. Vi får både i pose og sekk. Dette nye miljøvennlige tiltaket reduserer forurensning og skaper jobber. Vi får både i pose og sekk. Dette nye miljøvennlige tiltaket reduserer forurensning og skaper jobber. Vi får både i pose og sekk. This new eco-friendly initiative reduces pollution and creates jobs. We get both the bag and the sack. Ved å velge denne planen får du både fleksibilitet og kostnadseffektivitet. Du får både i pose og sekk. Ved å velge denne planen får du både fleksibilitet og kostnadseffektivitet. Du får både i pose og sekk. Ved å velge denne planen får du både fleksibilitet og kostnadseffektivitet. Du får både i pose og sekk. By choosing this plan, you get both flexibility and cost effectiveness. You get both a bag and a sack. The idiom å få både i pose og sekk, å få både i pose og sekk, å få både i pose og sekk, is a delightful example of how language reflects cultural values. In this case, the Norwegian penchant for pragmatism and optimism. Incorporating such idiomatic expressions into your language repertoire not only enhances your linguistic skills, but also deepens your understanding of Norwegian culture. So the next time you find yourself in a situation where you or someone else is getting the best of both worlds, don't hesitate to use this expression. Enjoy the nod of appreciation from your Norwegian friends. Do you want to take Norwegian classes? We are offering Norwegian classes in classroom in Oslo or online. We offer classes at all levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So if you're interested in taking Norwegian classes, you can go to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. We now have a referral program. So if you have a friend who wants to learn um, Norwegian, if you refer your friend, you will get 150 US dollar, and your friend will get a reduction in student fee of 100 US dollars. So this is a win-win situation where we can develop together. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You get downloadable worksheets to practice what you learn from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.